Hi, Plait from badastronomy.com here. I saw a picture today that was unlike anything I had ever seen before, and I've seen a lot of pictures from space. This one literally made me gasp in awe. Take a look at this picture. What you are seeing here is the Phoenix Mars lander descending to the surface of the red planet underneath its parachute. This picture was taken by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, the high-res camera on board, a very high-resolution camera. Look at this picture. We have seen how many pictures of Mars taken from the surface, how many of the surface taken from orbit, but we have very rarely seen our own machines on the surface, a couple of times, and they're amazing. But this picture, this one's special. This is showing Phoenix on its way down. You can see the parachute. You can see the lander inside of its shell. You can even see the tethers, the lines connecting the lander to the parachute. This is an action shot. This is it happening on the fly. This is Phoenix on its way down. Nothing like this has ever been seen before. And it was taken by a probe in orbit. This wasn't taken by somebody standing there or somebody looking down like from the space station or the space shuttle. This was taken by a robotic probe that has been orbiting Mars for a couple of years, and we aimed it at where Phoenix was supposed to be, and bang, there it is. Think about that for a second. Mars was almost 280 million kilometers away, 170 million miles away. There are no humans anywhere near that. We're all here on Earth. This picture, this snapshot of us reaching out and touching another planet was taken by another machine that has already been orbiting Mars and taking pictures, devastating pictures, beautiful, astonishing, mind-numbing pictures of Mars. It's already shown us that Mars is another world, an alien planet that we have been able to go to. And here we have a shot, a picture of us of doing it again, of reaching out across space, across millions of miles of space, and reaching for another planet, and actually getting there. And Phoenix is now sitting on the surface of Mars, taking pictures, and it's going to be scooping up soil and testing it for the conditions to see if Mars was ever, or even is now, right for life. This is what we do. This is what science does, but this is what people do when we try. And Phoenix was based on a mission that didn't make it, the Mars Polar Lander. There was some sort of engineering problem. But Phoenix was based on that engineering, but they tested it. They didn't give up. They tried again and again. They got it working, and they got it right, because they're smart people. And this is what humans do. This is what smart humans do, but this is what humans do. We look out around us, we wonder what's out there, and we don't just wonder. We actually go and take a look. This is hands down my favorite picture of all time. Saturn, Jupiter, nebulae, galaxies, these are all wondrous, gorgeous objects. But this picture shows us, and it's showing, I can't say it enough, it's showing what we can do. So take a look at this picture and think about what we can do, and think about what you can do. And you know, there's a lot of things to worry about right now. There always is going to be something to worry about. But every now and again, it's nice to know that there is something bigger, something more. And if we try, and we really, really want to do it, we will.